Hi friends, I'm still at Zunovnica. It's raining and it's really wet, so I just wanted to show you a few more puppies that are looking for their forever homes. Please consider adoption. There's 130 to 140 dogs of all sizes here, and they're all absolutely perfect. Please consider opening your heart and your home to one of these dogs. They all deserve their miracle. So this is why I left my business. This is why I left Canada. And this is one of the main reasons why I'm here. Beauty and the rest of the street dogs matter to me and matter. Now there's Mommy. That's Mommy from the other pups from the previous video, but her paw is hurt. Look at the little pups, little balls of fur. All perfect and all awaiting their miracle. There's Mommy. There's Mommy.
Nemoj mami dirati. Nemoj mami dirati. Vidio i slika, Bože dragi, vidio i slika. A što ti šepa, Nana? Nisi to moje bebe, one tičke. Ona nešto podiže.
Yes, her paw is hurt. So we're in desperate needs of home for these dog donations. Hey, we've just gotten a recent donation of houses. See the paw. She's lifting the paw. Oh, there's something really wrong with the paw. Oh, someone cut off her paw. Ona nema paw. Ona nema šape. Someone cut off her paws. So this is it for now, reporting from Sarajevo, from Zunovnica. Known asylum from dogs, made out of old army buildings. They need you. They need you. They need all of us. So thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for your compassion. Please like, please subscribe, comment, and help me help them. I've literally left everything for my beauty, my business, my mom, my friends, my home. I've left everything for her and for them. They deserve it. I don't regret it one bit. They matter. They matter to me. So please like, comment, subscribe, and help me raise awareness and help me find them their miracle. Bye for now.